Hey everybody, this is Larry. We had two easy problems today on September 14, 2025. So I figured, and I have too much caffeine maybe, we will do, I won't filter. We will do one more extra bonus problem that I haven't done yet. So to do, and yeah, and then with that, we have 506 of these problems. That actually feels like a lot. I thought I'd do them down. Oh no, because I have to go to Algo. I have to click on Algo. Okay. Okay, 205. That sounds more reasonable. There's a lot of database problems. Anyway, let's choose a random problem. Let's go. Go, 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 go. One day we'll do a hard one. Okay. Today we have 676 implement magic dictionary. Not a premium problem, so feel free to follow along and or pause the video and give us yourself an attempt if if the easy problems are too easy and you want to do a bonus one with Larry. Okay, 677 implement magic dictionary. Design a data structure that is initialized with a list of different words. Provided a string, you should determine if you can change exactly one character in the string to match any word in the data structure. Implement. Okay, so it seems like okay, you have these things and then you have this. Can you match this? Okay, hello, also match. Yeah, I mean, I think it's fine. Trying to think. Given all the constraints, it's not so bad. And especially since you're only given 100 cores, I think you could be pretty sloppy with it. I think the key thing is just, yeah, basically it's just try to figure out how to represent the concept of maybe missing a character, right? Or a character that's a wild card, right? And that's and we could pre-process it and then and so forth. Um, oh, so can you record build dictionary? Oh, it will only record once. That's weird. No, I mean maybe it's not super weird, but I thought it's just something that doesn't feel like like a uh, um, I don't know. It doesn't feel like an intuitive dictionary in a sense. And what I mean by that is because why would you not put this in the initializer, right? Or the constructor. Yeah, I mean it's fine. It's just that I was like, am I missing something? But yeah, but otherwise, you're trying to figure out how to represent this missing or not missing, but you can change exactly one character, and you do that by giving like the way in my mind is just swapping a character for any character, and then that any character is a wildcard character, and that's it, right? So maybe you have like self dot and you only have to return true false, so you can actually use a set is what I'm gonna say. Maybe scene is equal to set, right? And then now for word in dictionary, we could maybe say L is equal to length of word, right? And then for I in range of L, we can just replace the I've letter with a wildcard to match future wildcards, right? So then it'll be words plus word I plus one plus star, right? I mean, doesn't have to be star, but that's what I'm doing, right? And then now on search is now we can just do the same thing, but also kind of doing this thing, right? If there's a typo here though. If and maybe that could be this can be in a helper function, but is in self.scene, then we just return true. Always return false, and that's it. Pretty yeah, whatever. I'm a little bit lazy. Still wrong though. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, you have to change exactly once. I see. I should miss this. Also a weird one, maybe. I mean, maybe that's fine because I actually just didn't pay attention enough because hello does not reach hello. Because okay, so now we have to think about how to handle this, right? Hmm. All right. Well, this one just got a little bit interesting because you can't really do like a reverse list as a result because yeah, because the thing is that I mean I would also say honestly, I mean I did this wildcard thing as an optimization, but we don't really have to because there's only 100 words, right? And what I mean by that is that you can actually just brute force all 26 cases, and you should be fine. But I'm trying to be a little bit too clever, but then I missed this case. Okay, so we could do it again, right? And here you don't even need this anymore, then, right? Because you're just gonna brute force to 26. This is to make this slightly easier. But yeah, but and then now we go for C in what's it called? Strings dot alpha. No, ASCII lowercase. I always forget it's lowercase ASCII or ASCII lowercase. Something like this, and that should be done, right? If we had indent this correctly anyway. Oh. Oh, I guess that's not the syntax. It's fine. I always forget it was string or strings. Oh, it's still true. Oh, wait. Has to write. If I mean, I wrote it this way, but you know, obviously, shouldn't. I need to do this, right? And this is opposite. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't think this is that interesting to be honest. Unless I get it wrong, then I'm like, well, maybe there is something interesting. Maybe there is a quicker way though, the way that they did it. Hmm. I mean, why is mine so slow? I mean, I know. Okay, so is there a way to do it with wildcard that I'm not realizing? Hmm. Let me see if I can upsolve this in a quick minute. Um. Because basically the idea is that we want to do a wildcard, but it has to be a wildcard, not H, right? That's a how would you do it? Maybe I'm not thinking correctly today. Maybe I have all the energy but not the brain power. um, hmm. I mean, actually, it's not that bad. I think I was just trying to keep it to set. But if I let's try to see how far I can undo for now. Right. Okay, so this is the wrong solution, but it's not that bad. I mean, I think we can instead of using a set, maybe we just do a dictionary, right? Collections default dict a list, and then now we can add this dot append word, right? You could actually maybe even do index so that we don't keep them. Yeah, let's do index. Um, oh, not this either. The reason why is just for um, it is self.tick, but that's like a little bit awkward. It oops. The reason why you want to store index is just that it's much more compact and creating a new creating a new word and appending every time. And then now we can do this thing, but then now we can say if this isn't seen, that then there's only two cases, right? If length of self.seen is greater than or equal to 2, then we just return true. Or, right? And this is because if there are two of them, then you can always just pick the other one. Like it, unless for some reason dictionary has duplicate words, but I thought I saw it, distinct. So if there are two, then you can always just pick two of them. Otherwise, if there's one, by definition there's one, so self.seen of this thing, and maybe we would just do a walrus symbol of a current. How do I do walrus? Is that right? Sub.scene, there's only one index of this word. If it's not, you go to current. Huh, still returning true. Why? Sub.scene. Oh no, it's not sub.scene. It's sub.scene of current. And this is also this is wrong. It's not current. This is of the word. I think I mixed those two things up. Very sloppy, honestly. And still, huh. Current is this lookup. If it's in there, otherwise, if it's not, you go to word, we return true, right? So what is the what's the situation? Okay, let's find out. Maybe I have some weird typo thing here. Okay, so so returns true because it's but then we have what's sub.scene. Did I mess up sub.scene? No, it only has one element. So oh. This returns the index. Okay. I mean, I did write it that way, but I don't know. Okay. I'm just being okay. Some days you just feel dumb. Okay, looks okay. Let's see if our running time is much faster. It is much faster, but apparently people are still faster. Huh. I mean, this is like a 6-time increase, so I'm not gonna worry that much about it. I think this is probably on the order of way better. I mean, people just over-optimize everything anyway. But yeah, I'm to my code. Okay, but that's it. That's all I have for this one. Yeah, this is gonna be O of L times word, time and space, right? I mean, this is O of word, O of L. So yeah, and search is O of L, where L is the length of the word, and that's it. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, you could, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.